Calculate lower and upper bounds if each of the number is correct to the nearest two significant figures. So here you have to find lower and upper bound for this one, that is 4800 plus 240. And how do we do that? In this way. See, to get the lower bound, you should take lower bound of this and also lower bound of this. See man, here you are doing addition, so both lower, the result will also be lower. Okay, now to get upper bound, I should take upper bound for 4800 and also upper bound for 240. Addition, both upper, result will be upper. Both lower, the result will be lower. Clear? Now let us find lower and upper bound for each of the numbers. So that is 4800. Now, what should I subtract and add to get lower and upper bound? How do I decide that? In this way. See, it's correct to nearest two significant figures. See man, this thing is correct to two significant figures. That means earlier there were three significant figures which got reduced to 2. So now you should make it back into three significant figures. And how do you do that? See here. For me to make this into three significant figures, here the number should be 5. It should be 4850. So what should I add to this such that it becomes this one is 50. So whatever you are adding, you should subtract also the same thing. Rule, whatever you add, subtract the same number. So if I subtract, I get 4750. Now the next number is 240. Now this is also correct to nearest two significant figures. That means earlier there were three which got corrected to two significant figures. Now you should make it back to three significant figures. And how do you do that? In this way. See, for me to make this into three significant figures, here it has to be 5. It should be 245. So 240 should become 245 only if I add 5. Whenever I am adding 5, I should also subtract 5. So I get 235. Clear? Now the next one. Let us replace the values here. So lower bound of 4800 is 4750 plus lower bound of 240 is 235. Add these two. You get the answer to be 4985. Okay. Now here. Take upper bound of 4800 is 4850 plus upper bound of 240 is 245. Add these two. You get the answer to be 5095. So this is upper bound and this is lower bound for this. Am I clear?